Guys, see what we have here. This is for the front. This is for the front as well. Forgot which is exactly for the rear. I'm not sure. I have to see later on when we're at the car. And this is for the camera on the fender side. And this is the Tesla logo behind and in front. So first, make sure the area I'm going to stick on is clean, which is all the 4 door handles and this camera. Okay, and this part as well.
This part.
And this logo. Okay, make it
dry.
Yeah, it's dry. Then you can start sticking.
Before sticking, you have to measure first whether it's this one is the correct, because you have left, right. So take out the double snip.
Correct.
Oh, easily can stick, huh?
Actually, not so nice. And
It's okay.
some extras, but can't really see.
It's so fine, never say anything lah. This is a thing.
Yeah, not perfect, but I think extra plastics. Try to push it in.
You have to
Yeah.
Mosa first. How to say? Mosa.
It's okay.
I have the thing.
I think it looks okay now. Okay, now to the left side. Correct? Push in. Make sure it fits.
Yeah, it's fit. Your face here.
Try the door handle. Okay, take out the tape and get ready to stick on the door handle. There you go. So try open door. Close the door. Okay.
Much, huh?
Okay. Just stick on.
I put like this. It's very easy, this one.
Yeah. Because the shape is very obvious. Okay, just let it stick on and don't move it. And stick on. Are you sure this is right? This is right? Okay, great.
Oh, 好像不对耶。
Ha 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 ha. See? Never see properly. Now it's difficult to open. Okay, make sure this is right. Otherwise, you have problem opening the door like just now.
So easily.
Open.
Make sure here is no.
And
you need to make sure here
can go in.
and out easily.
Yeah. Okay.
Again. See? You will hear something stuck here.
Yep. Last door handle. Make sure it's correct. But if it's not correct, you can still take it out like just now.
Yeah, you don't make sure not easily. Then only you push everything
Yeah, like it stick.
again. Yeah, it's nice. Make sure. Yeah. Yeah. Then take out all the double side tape.
Push it in.
How
Just like that.
Cannot. I don't know.
From top first. Make sure it's
From top
from top. Make sure it's in. Then only you push down.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that.
Oh, that only
What? Wait.
It's like a bit up here. No?
Yeah.
Correct.
Here is like a bit of gap, but
I think it's not.
it's already fixed.
Like
Yeah,
that?
it's like that.
I'll put from here.
From front.
From front also cannot.
I think it's not perfect lah. It's just like that.
Like that, is it okay? Your side?
Yeah,
Ah,
now
like
better. Now
this.
better.
It's from this corner. You start from this corner.
Okay.
Start from this corner. It's very easy. Here.
Push in. Stick on. Perfect.
Is it?
Okay. You don't need to do that. Okay.
It's funny, man. You can see your face there. Dun, 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 dun.
Start with the top.
Wow, this one very easy lah actually.
Yeah. Hopefully next time when you take
It's
out,
fitted.
the whole logo don't come out.
If logo come out, then how?
Ask them to stick back.
How?
Next one. This one's pretty easy because it's
It's fitted.
It's fitted to the logo. You stick on.
Wow, so nice. I have to put this one.
Yeah, now you got the pink Tesla logo. I think it's to protect the chrome here, the words here.
And then I asked the seller, I forgot.
It's okay.
Oh,
Then
really?
only you
Still in?
stick this on. Should be.
It's fine, is it?
I think this will stick. Or
Oh, this is good. Looks good. Okay, see, it's the S. It looks like 5.
bigger than usual. It's not fit, but can. Then you put the.
Like if cannot fit, you have to cut it.
You can still put this on.
Cannot. The S is different.
Oh, it's not
Oh,
a
I
bit
know.
of the sticker. White color can still be seen. So
Can cut it like using the 剪刀.
you can always push it in. Once you put it, you can push it in from the side. Still not so nice.
Yeah,
You
I
can
have to
push
cut
it.
it first. I anyhow have to cut it first.
So T is nice. The E is okay. Only the S. It's
Oh,
a
it's
bit
weird.
It's weird because you can still see the chrome.
Oh,
But
you
if you
don't know
see
how to
from
do
far, I think it's still okay. I've tried many rounds, cannot. It's still the same. Okay, one more stripe. Make sure it's aligned.
Cannot see. I cannot see it.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay, next one. Okay. Okay.